Another absolutely beautiful morning in the Peak District, early August 2022. I'm going to get up bright and early whilst this weather's lasting, but this time I come to Higger Tor. Again, only half an hour from Chesterfield, about bang on actually, half an hour. No traffic this time. Easy to park behind me. The heather's really coming out as each day goes on. It's getting fuller and more purple and richer. It's beautiful this time of year. So just a short walk from the free car park. We've got Higger Tor, one of the top 10 I'd say, half an hour from Chesterfield. I always wanted to check this place out when I did a little bit of mountain biking starting at Fox House, and I went round to Lady Canning's where Ride Sheffield have put on made a really nice little track there. So from Fox House, Lady Canning's, then you come back round and then back to Burbage Moor, which is absolutely fantastic as well. And I always used to look up to Higger Tor and Carl Wag. So yeah, here we go, let's check it out.